Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create your first digital product with AI. And I know what you may be thinking, that if this is actually created by AI, why would someone pay for it when they can access the same AI and they create the same products? And I will tell you that it is no. My answer is no, that not everybody can access the AI and do the same thing that I do. Some don't have time, some cannot do it perfectly, some don't even know how it works. So those who are buying it for a reason. And I'm going to give you 3 reasons why people will buy this your AI product that you are going to create, even though they know that this is AI product. Number 1 thing I'm going to tell you is urgency. Urgency make people buying something that even though they know how to do it. So why do you think people buy food from restaurants when they can actually cook it at home? That moment that they are hungry, it's not because they don't know how to cook, but that moment they are hungry, they are in need of food, so they will likely go to restaurants and they eat. So it's gonna take time to go home, prepare the food, go to market, get the groceries and everything, then cook the food to eat. So they will likely go to restaurants, buy food instantly, and they eat that food immediately. So urgency will make people spend money. So when that thing that you created is people are looking for, it is urgently needed, they are most likely to buy from you. And the number 2 reason they are going to buy this product, even though they know that it is AI, it's because stress. People don't want to stress yourself. Do you want stress? No, I don't want stress also. But everybody is stressed out because they want to get something done. Now, people that are in need of your product, they don't want to stress themselves at all. So you will do the stress for them and you will help them do the ready done product for them. So instead of going to ChatGPT, making research, go to Claude, stay there for 1 hour, 2 hours, packaging everything, they have a lot they want to do with their time, and some don't even know how to do this thing. So your job is to do it for them. As long as it make the job done for them, they are good to go. They will pay money. So they buy it once, they will use it forever. And you build the product once, you sell it for millions of people. So that is how this thing works. And the 3rd reason that I'm going to give you, now there are various reasons and there are other reasons that I cannot mention in this video and that I cannot talk about. I don't even remember some, but I'm going to show you this last one is problem. All right, the last one is problem. People are going to buy your product because it solves problem. So when people are so much in desperation to find a solution to a particular problem, they don't care how that problem is solved. All they need is that let this problem be solved, and that is the way you comes in. So if your product can solve a particular problem for someone somewhere, then you likely make a sales when you created this product, even though people know that it is AI. There are different and the millions, billions of companies that has invested in this thing called AI. So don't come here and be thinking that they can't buy it because it is AI products. Don't do that, because there are millions of people that are using AI to develop something for their company, and you can do it for them. This video, we are going to take your hand and do it step by step. So the prompt that I'm going to use to find the right product that I'm going to build today is in the description below. So I'm not going to go that process. So if you want to learn how to make a good research of a right product to sell, so there is a video in the description below. I created the video a few days ago. You can go and watch it, and that video cover everything that you need to know about making research to find the right product and the hot product that are currently selling. So you can watch it in the description below. So now, before we dive into creating this product, let me tell you 3 things that matter when it comes to creating product, whether it is AI or it's you create it by yourself. So in order to make your product stand out for people to pay for it, because people need to know that, oh, this is worth paying. In order to make your video stand out to be worth paying for, you need to know how to package the product very well. Your packaging matters. You need to understand how packaging work. So number 2 is your presentation. How you present your product actually matters. So no matter how good is your product, if your presentation is bad, you are not going to get any sales. All right. So the last one is delivering. How you deliver your product matter. And the last secret I'm going to tell you is the format of your product. You can actually be selling the same thing, but our products may look different. You may be using the same information that I have to create ebook, which we sell. Okay. And I've been using the same information that you use to create ebook. I can use it to create a SaaS. I can use it to build a tools, I can use it to build a video course, and I can use it to do a lot of things which actually look more premium than your ebook. Anyway, each of them is good. How you market is also matter. The way you market your products determine how you are going to make sales. So keep all these things that I mentioned in this video in mind. Without wasting our time, let's go and get this done once and for all. So welcome guys, this is the prompt that I'm going to use in order to get this done, and I'm going to show you step by step how this works. Now before we dive into the copy and paste prompt into ChatGPT, I want you to know that Claude AI can actually build this better than ChatGPT. This is I'm just saying this. Claude AI can actually help you build this better, far better. The reason I'm using ChatGPT to make this video is because I've reached my limit on Claude for today. So it's going to reset maybe after 24 hours or 12 o'clock in the midnight. I don't know. So now we are going to copy this prompt. So let me tell you what the product I'm going to create. It says interview answer vault, 100 start method answer to the 15 most common job interview question. Now this my product is actually for the people who are looking for a job but they don't have the idea how the interview will go. So this is going to help them to master some questions and answer that normally happen during interview. Okay, and this is a hot product actually. Let me show you one thing. ChatGPT tell me that I can sell this around $29 to $49. Actually, this is a massive product actually. So if I copy this now and I paste it back into ChatGPT, I can paste it back into ChatGPT, and what ChatGPT is going to do is going to build the entire product for me. You can see he writes it so like this, but if it is Claude, it's going to write it and then you can download it once and for all, and there is no problem of maybe you are going to copy this, take it to Google Doc, take it to this place, take it to other place. You know that Claude is going to do the work for you. So if you are going to build your own product, make sure you actually use Claude because Claude is better. So the prompts that I used to get this particular product that I'm doing now is in the description below. You can go and copy it to go and look for the product that you can actually create. You can edit it to your own preference. There is no problem. So you can see it has generated everything for me, the questions and the answer. You can see everything now. I can just copy this entire ebook. I can paste it in my Google Doc. I can edit it. I can take it to Canva. I can design it. I can do everything with it. Even if you don't design it, just place it there and they arrange it very well and do a little touch. Okay, just a little touch is okay because not everything will be correct. Just do a little touch, that is fine. And just design the ebook by yourself or you design it with AI. Actually, the video is on my channel, how to design a cover page ebook with AI. So we are going to use that one and it will show like AI actually. So you can just go watch that one, and when you are done you can go to Cogom Road, you can go to ST, you can go to any place you want to go to, and then you list your products and you are good to go. If you are from Africa, you may likely want to check out seller and then start with them, upload your video and then you start promoting it. Okay, so and I'm going to upload how you can promote your ebook on Facebook and Instagram ad. How to run ad, I have pinned the video in the description below. If you want to learn how to run ad, the video in this description below, you can go and watch it. So and that is how you can create your own ebook and start selling it. You may be wondering, how do I get this long prompts that I used to create this ebook? Okay, it is ChatGPT that writes it for me. I don't stress myself writing long prompt. So this is what I actually do. I write ChatGPT to generate prompt to get below ebook done, and I write the book, which the prompt that I'm going to give you will actually generate you this similar thing. So you just have to paste it there and ChatGPT is going to give you the prompt to get that particular product done. It might not be ebook, it might be other thing. So you can just say to get this product done. So you can just paste it there and ChatGPT is going to give you the prompt that you are going to use, and you can just paste it in any AI tools that you want to paste it, and you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So you are good to go to do whatever you want to do, and you can start making your own money. And now you have discovered this, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and as always, my name is Mike. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.